Welcome back to Spy Garage.
For individuals who feel that the wilderness should be explored rather than just observed, the 2026 Prevost Granite Ridge 23S is a gigantic off-road monster. Combining the unmatched luxury and engineering skill of Prevost with a hardcore, go-anywhere capability that completely reimagines the idea of an off-road RV, this vehicle is the pinnacle of extreme recreational vehicle design. The description of the Granite Ridge 23S as monstrous is accurate. A robust, specially designed Prevost chassis that has been significantly strengthened and enhanced for harsh off-road situations serves as its base. Thanks to a highly advanced, long-travel air suspension system that can dynamically modify ride height, the car has an impressive amount of ground clearance. Mounted on tough, beadlock-capable wheels, aggressive, enormous all-terrain tires, possibly 40 inches or more, ensure grip on the most difficult terrain, from deep mud and sand to perilous rock crawls. The essential undercarriage parts are shielded by integrated skid plates made of high-strength steel or sophisticated composites. For self-extraction or helping others, the bumpers are strengthened and may have built-in winch mounts and recovery points. The vehicle can navigate terrain that would make traditional RVs immovable because its approach, departure, and breakover angles are tailored for extreme obstacle negotiating. Its sturdy, expedition-grade outer finish, which is resistant to abrasions and impacts, adds to its imposing presence. The 2026 Prevost Granite Ridge 23S's interior provides an unexpectedly luxurious haven despite its tough appearance. Throughout, Prevost's reputation for flawless craftsmanship is clear. The living area is made to be both practical and comfortable in isolated settings. Solid surface worktops, easily cleaned upholstery, and resilient flooring are examples of high-quality, long-lasting materials. Although not as roomy as a highway RV, the layout is cleverly planned to make the most of available space. A cozy living space, a galley kitchen with sturdy off-grid amenities, and an unexpectedly roomy bedroom area are probably all included. The bathroom would be a small yet effective wet bath that is made to be useful in harsh environments. All throughout, smart storage solutions are used to guarantee that supplies and equipment are safely stored while in transit. Packed with technology, the Granite Ridge 23S guarantees self-sufficiency and supports its severe off-road capabilities. A sizable solar array, a high-capacity battery bank, and a silent generator are all part of a robust integrated power system that supplies enough energy for all onboard systems, including sophisticated lighting, communication, and climate control. Long stays away from civilization would be made possible by an advanced onboard water management system that would have several fresh, gray, and black water tanks in addition to sophisticated filtration and purifying capabilities. Communication would be crucial, and even in the most isolated areas, connectivity would be provided by integrated satellite internet and communication systems. Advanced navigation features including GPS tracking, off-road mapping, and various camera views for improved situational awareness would be available in the cockpit. The 2026 Prevost Granite Ridge 23S is an exploration vehicle designed to navigate the world's most difficult terrain, not just a recreational vehicle. It serves the traveler who, even when exploring the most distant and harsh places, won't give up comfort or luxury. This RV is a monster in the finest meaning of the word. It is a strong, competent, and surprisingly well-designed vehicle made for anyone looking for the best off-road experience.